dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome back to my channel, dolls. It's Deandra Renee, and today I'm here to do another wig review for you guys. I'm so excited. I was contacted by a company known as divatress.com. How could you not know about this company? I'm sure you guys have heard about it. I have ordered plenty of wigs from them before, so I was definitely happy to hear that they wanted to work with me. So I have selected 2 units from them that I am reviewing for you guys today. So my first unit is a 13x4 hand-tied Swiss lace wig known as Keeshana. This is a lace front wig. It is ear-to-ear lace. This wig is by Bobbi Boss. You can wear the part in any direction. So basically it is free parting. So here is the wig, you guys. Very nice packaging. I really like this. So this is what the unit looks like. It is like a body wave type of Brazilian dupe, so to speak. And I did select the color TT48613. So that's basically a dark root with a blonde tip. So here is the wig. That blonde, that is beautiful. That is the blonde that I try to get when I bleach my hair. Here's the lace. It already has a part in there, but again, you can free part it. You get a total of 4 combs, and you also get a drawstring as well. Really good construction. So you get 2 combs on the side, 1 here in the middle and another in the back. And the drawstrings are in the back as well. So I'm just gonna try this on for you guys just so you can see it without me having done anything to the wig. Okay, you guys, so here's me just trying on the wig. Now I did kind of rip the lace trying to put this on. I don't really have really good braids underneath, so I kind of just plaited my hair and just threw the wig on top of that. I did take that wig cap off because it's too light, but I don't really have neatly tight braids down, so I would say it's big head friendly, just because my hair isn't really laying down and the wig's still fitting over my head pretty well. So I do think it would fit a larger sized head, but looking at this hairline, I am definitely feeling like it needs to be plucked. So I am going to pluck it because it's really, really thick. So that's kind of making it look unrealistic. But other than that, looking at these curls, like they need to be combed. Don't get me wrong. But really nice curls though. So I'm going to go ahead and start plucking the hairline, and I'll be back to show you guys.
Quite like me, me. Never had a girl 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 quite like me, me.
Beside me, it's a 2-seater, yo, can't rock, I'm sorry. Pull up in the Rari, my beside me, it's a 2-seater, yo, can't rock.
Girl, that girl, that girl, that you got ain't got nothing on me. So girl,
I love this side bang, how you can kind of push it in your face, fluff it up just a little bit. I am loving that side view. That is gorgeous. I really feel like this wig behaves really well when you just kind of flip it over and just let it do its own thing. I mean, it's just absolutely beautiful. Is it just me, or do you always have like one side that just wants to behave and the other side just want to give you a hard time, Lord? I don't know if it's just me. Let me know if it's y'all too, but I don't know. It's always that one side that's always just got it together, and that other side just want to act like a badass stepchild. Lord. Okay, you guys, so I have applied my wig. Now all I did was take my Got To Be Glue gel and my Got To Be Glue spray, and I just put that on the sides. I did not put it across the whole lace front because I didn't feel the need to. I figured once I pulled the sides down, it would hold the middle tight and it wouldn't go anywhere. So I'm trying to keep from putting gel on my edges or on my hairline as much as possible, just because, you know, you always want to protect your hairline, your edges. So the least amount of gel that I have to use, the better. So it did work very well. My wig's still not going anywhere. So just gelling down the sides is fine. So I did pluck the hairline a bit, but it is still kind of full, but it's fine as is. I really pretty much like to wear my hair down anyway, so plucking this wig definitely helped with the hairline. So I would definitely say if you want to wear this wig, you will definitely have to pluck the hairline, girl. Now I did get a little bit of shedding. I'm sure some of it is from the plucking of the lace front, but I may have gotten a little bit from just the wig shedding itself, but nothing too bad. I did get a tiny amount of tangling as well, but I just combed that out with my big tooth comb and it was pretty simple to get rid of that. So I'm still liking this wig. I love the color. I love how vibrant and bright this blonde is. That's why I love 613. It's just so bright. It's so blonde. This wig is very versatile. It's very full. It has a lot of body, a lot of bounce. The curls are absolutely beautiful. They hold really well. I've been combing through it so many times and they have not dropped at all, so that is great to see. So if you guys are interested in this wig, make sure you check out divatress.com. I will leave the link down below. Make sure you follow them on Instagram and make sure you check out their website. They do have a lot of coupon codes. They always have a sale on something. So I will leave all of their information down below, as well as any type of savings that you guys can save on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one.